Yoing! Oh, hey, flower man. What a beautiful cat you are. Oh, thanks. You're not so good yourself. Hey, that's my man. Ugh. Hey! Oh, hey, you don't look so yummy. Oh, okay. Well, if it isn't Mr. Lizard looking like a snack.
I'm stale.
Oh my gosh. Your wife is dead. Oh, she is? Okay. Thanks for telling me. What? Your security is my motto? Okay. Protogent is not enough. You need Protogent. Well, looks like we're gonna have to dig her dead body out of the grass. It's time for the gathering. What are we going to do? No. No, you have to pretend to be dead. Oh, sorry. Wait a second, you guys are hiding something. Be quiet! You guys are hiding something from me. No, we're not. Yes, you are. No, we will. I mean, no, we... Hey, you. It's time to eat. Oh, I miss my wife. Actually, that's a lie. Honey, I came back for you, but I don't love you anymore. I am Proto. Your security is my...
Motto.
You just ruined the video by saying... Hey, I think I like you. Have I ever told you that I liked you? No, you haven't. Good, just making sure. Get that little bug. Mr. Lizard, I need your help. Oh, no.
It's wet.
I don't care if who's wet. I'm just kidding.